So you're driving along, you hit a pothole, you lose control, or maybe that traffic light isn't working and it causes a crash. Your first thought's probably another driver did this, or even it's your fault, but sometimes the road is the problem. And when that happens, the question becomes, can you sue the city, the county, or the state? And the answer is yes, you can. But these cases are different because now you're not dealing with another driver. You're dealing with a government entity, the government, the big bad. And they've got different rules and they've got different resources. And this can change everything. First off, what counts as a road defect? Potholes, broken or missing traffic signals, faded or missing lane markings, missing guardrails, standing water that causes hydroplaning, even overgrown trees blocking visibility or a sign. All of these conditions can come together to create a dangerous situation. And if the city, county, or state government knew about it or should have known about it, they may be responsible. But here's where it gets serious. There are deadlines and certain requirements you've got to do if a state government or city or county government was involved. You've got to put them on notice. And sometimes it's different than the normal statute of limitations and different requirements. And if you miss those, you could lose your case completely, no matter how strong it is or how bad you're hurt. And let's talk about proof, because it's not enough to show that the defect existed. You've got to prove 3 things. That the defect was there, that the government knew or should have known about it, and that it caused your crash, which means you need evidence. Photos, videos, maintenance records, prior complaints. And here's the problem. Sometimes the city fixes that issue quickly after the crash, which means some of that evidence disappears. So if you don't document it right away, you may not be able to prove your case later. And remember too, in North Carolina, just like every other case, contributory negligence still applies. They might argue you were speeding, you should have seen it, you could have avoided it. And if they prove even 1% at fault, you could recover nothing. So what should you do after a road defect case? Call 911. Document the scene immediately. Take photos and video from multiple angles. Talk about why the accident occurred to your lawyer. Document that. Get medical care and report the issue in writing with your lawyer's supervision. And then act fast, because these cases can have shorter deadlines, they're more complex, and there's less room for error. At the end of the day, not every accident is caused by a driver. Sometimes it's the road itself. If that's the case, you need to move quickly to protect your rights. Remember, if you're in pain, call Shane 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.